Everybody who is watching this video right now will make money. I can hear you asking how, and I will not keep you waiting anymore. I'm telling you right now, guys. Coin Engineer made a special partnership with TraderWagon to make a community event with $5,000 worth of prize pool. As you know, TraderWagon is a copy trading platform of Binance, and it gives you a chance to become a copy trader or a lead trader. Lead trader means the one who's being copied by other traders, and you yourself may be a copy trader also, and that means copying the best traders' portfolios in real time. And probably you are still asking, where's the money for me in this event? Everyone who registers to TraderWagon with the link down below this video will share $2,000. And also, if you decide to become a lead trader, the best 10 traders with the highest P&Ls will share $3,000. If you're interested, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future events like this one. And now I will show you how can you participate in this event. I'll start from registering to TraderWagon, and then I will teach you how to use it. If you're ready, let's open up our computer and continue our video from there.
Okay, now we are in the computer screen, and first thing that you must do is scroll your page down to the descriptions of this video and click on the link to register TraderWagon as easily as it can be. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see that the referral ID is this one that writes with an unchangeable text. If that's correct, if that's the ID that you are seeing in the screen right now, then you can register to TraderWagon with your email or your mobile phone. And after that, you'll be able to connect your Binance account to the TraderWagon, then start copy trading or become a lead trader. After filling out your information correctly and creating yourself a password, be careful, don't forget that password. Of course, if you forget that, you can change it with your mobile phone that you wrote here or with your email, but I strongly suggest that don't forget your password. Then click on the create account button to finish creating your account. And if you're already registered, you can click on the login button. But if you have registered with a different referral ID or you didn't use a referral ID before, unfortunately, you will not be able to attend to Coin Engineer and TraderWagon's community event. After creating your TraderWagon account, this pop-up will show up to your screen, and all you need to do is clicking on the link account button. After clicking on it, you will be able to see the account and security tab will be opened on your screen. And to link your Binance account, click on the link button just below the account menu. And I also strongly suggest that you should enable Google Authenticator and email address verification also with your phone number verification. Opening those up will increase your account security to the top level. In every crypto website, don't forget to use especially your Google Authenticator. Now let's get back to the main topic and let's link our Binance account to the TraderWagon. I will click on this button, and as you can see, it directed my page to the Binance Exchanges login menu. From here, you can log into your Binance with your email or phone number, or directly scan your QR code from your mobile phone to authorize the login directly from your mobile. And as you can see, after logging into your Binance account, it's linked. You can understand that from the pop-up that I am seeing on my screen. Now let's get back to the portfolio center. As we said earlier, there are two choices that you can choose in TraderWagon. You can be a copy trader to copy the best traders' portfolios, or you can be a lead trader to make people copy you. But be careful that if you are a lead trader, you don't get to copy others, or if you are copying others, you can't be a lead trader. So before choosing what to do, first decide what you want to be. If you are successful at trading and you think that you can earn money while making other people earn too, click on this Be a Lead Trader button and then submit this form to apply to become a lead trader. And that was how to be a lead trader. Now let's come back to the portfolio center to see how we can copy other traders' portfolios. First of all, you can see many portfolios at the main screen that you can filter them as their 30-day return of investment, their total P&L, the number of copy traders, and other things that you can see at the filtering section. While looking at the portfolios, you can see their 30-day return of investment, their total P&L, which means how much money did they gain or lose. As you can see in the section, Dominican Trader 2 gained nearly 16,000 United States dollars and their win rate. Also their maximum net loss at 30 days. You cannot copy some portfolios since they are full, as you can see, and also it says full at the copy button too. But if it says copy, not full, then you can copy those portfolios. And don't forget that there are minimum copy amounts at some portfolios. As you can see, Dominican Trader 2 accepts minimum 10 United States dollars while maximum 500 United States dollars. And you can see the portfolio's runtime, which is 14 days, 2 weeks for this portfolio. We also have a portfolio with the name CM Risk. Right, CM Risk, and as you can see, our portfolio has 20% return of investment in just 1 day, and our total P&L is 102 United States dollars. Our win rate is 75% at the moment, and our maximum net loss is 13%, which is fine for a risk portfolio. Don't forget that this is a risky portfolio. We are trying risky trades in this portfolio, and we just opened it. As you can see, our runtime is only 1 day. If you want to copy this portfolio, you can write, as I told you earlier, CM Risk, and click on the copy button. And as you can see, when you click on the copy, this pop-up will show up to your screen, and you can choose with how much money you wanna copy this portfolio. Let's make an example. I wanna copy this portfolio with 30 United States dollars, with 30 USDT. Don't forget that you have to have USDT in your Binance account to be able to copy any traders. If you have BUSD or any other cryptocurrency, first trade them for USDT in your account. Let's continue our example. I want to copy this portfolio with 30 USDT, and each order I want to use my $10. This means I can open up maximum 3 orders at the same time while copying this portfolio. You can make it $100 at the bottom side, which is maximum amount of this portfolio, and then make your cost per order $20, which means you can open up to 5 different orders at the same time. Now I'll change it to 10 to 30 again, and now I will set my take profit and stop loss percentages. Don't forget that when the lead trader closes the position, your position will be closed to. But if you want to close your position before the lead trader, you can set those percentages right at the beginning. Let's say if the trade gets 50% profit, I want to close this position in my portfolio. And if it loses 25%, I will close this position before the lead trader. That way I will always know what can I win or lose. And as you can see, my RR ratio will stay 2 in each time. I'm risking my $1 to gain $2 in each trade. Of course, you don't have to set up those percentages, but I'm teaching you just in case if you want to use them. And at the bottom side, you can always change your leverage mode. The TraderWagon says the default copy order is set to 10x leverage, but if the lead trader sets a lower leverage than you, follow the leverage set by the lead trader. Let's make an example. In each trade in TraderWagon, the leverage is 10x. But if the lead trader opens the position with 5x or 2x leverage, your position will be opened with 2x or 5x or anything that the trader opens with. If you set the setting open, then your trades will be as I said. But if you close this, your each trade will be opened with 10x leverage. And you can set the 10x with a lower amount. The maximum is 10x. As you can see, I cannot make it 11 or 12x, but I can make it 9x, 8x, 7x. If you are using a big amount of money while copying other portfolios and you don't trust or you don't know others, then you can make this 5x, 4x, 3x, whatever you want. But don't forget that the default mode is 10x with low leverage mode opened. And there are advanced settings. As you know, we made some take profit and stop loss settings. And after taking your profit, if you want to still keep copying this portfolio, or after a stop loss, if you want to still keep copying a portfolio, then from the advanced settings, you must use these buttons and make them opened. If you keep them closed after taking profit or stopping out of the position, you will stop copying this portfolio. And if you want to copy this, you must click on the copy again and set those settings. So if you want to keep copying, make these opened. And all you have to do, if you have read and agreed this service agreement and risk statement, click on the little button here and click on submit button. As you can see, the pop-up says copy portfolio successful, and I can see the portfolio that I'm copying from the TraderWagon's interface right now. Let's click on the view button and see what I'm copying. At my copied portfolios dashboard, as you can see, the CM risk portfolio is shown. From this dashboard, you can see your unrealized P&L, realized P&L, and the margin balance with your net amount of USDT, with your net profit. If you expand the portfolio details, you can see the current positions, your order history, the profit sharing, and deposit and withdrawals. Right now, I cannot see anything because I just copied this portfolio, so I'm waiting for the trader to open a new position. Until the lead trader opens a new position, I will not be able to see anything in the order history and current positions, and also I will not gain or lose any money. Don't forget that you can lose money too, so always set your settings with a risk-averse mindset and do not copy other traders with the money that you cannot afford to lose. This is the rule number one. If you want to add more money to the copied portfolio, click on the transfer button. And as you can see from your Binance Spot wallet, you can send money to any portfolio that you are copying. The default coin is USDT, as you can see, and set the amount. Let's make an example. I want to add 10 USDT more. I'll write here 10 and I will click on the confirm button. And as you can see, my copied amount became $40. I said you that you can change your take profit and stop loss settings and also the leverage settings anytime you want. If you click on the settings button, you can edit these two. And if you want to stop copying, you can directly click on the stop copying button, then click on the confirm button. You can easily see your P&L and the amount of your current portfolio at this pop-up. After clicking on the confirm, you can see that there's no ongoing portfolios for me, but if I look at our closed portfolios, I can see the CM risk portfolio at this interface. And that was all for now. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to create your account on TraderWagon as I told you earlier. Take care. Until next time.